Welcome to my channel. 192.168.0.107 Administrator Login. Step 1. Associate with the organization. To get to the 192.168.0.107 Administrator Login, you should initially associate with the organization that the switch is on. Step 2. Open an Internet browser. Whenever you are associated with the organization, open an Internet browser of your decision. For example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Step 3. Enter the IP address. In the URL bar of the Internet browser, type in 192.168.0.107 and press Enter. Step 4. Enter the administrator login qualifications. On the login page of the switch's web interface, you will be provoked to enter the administrator login qualifications, including the username and password. Step 5. Access the switch's settings. You will be directed to the switch's settings page when you enter the right login qualifications. Benefits of 192.168.0.107 Administrator Login. Arranging organization settings. You can design different organization settings, like organization security, remote organization settings, and port sending, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Observing organization action. The switch's web interface permits you to screen the organizational action of all gadgets associated with your organization. Improving security. The administrator login permits you to set up cutting-edge safety efforts, for example, firewall rules, DMZ settings, and access control records. Faults of 192.168.0.107 Administrator Login. Security dangers. The default login accreditations for the 192.168.0.107 Administrator Login are, in many cases, very similar for all gadgets of a similar model. Arrangement mix-ups. Making wrong or improper changes to arrange settings can cause gives that might influence the whole organization. Similarity issues. A few more seasoned gadgets may need to be more viable with the switch's web interface. Thank you for watching.